No, so there are related questions around what does it take for somebody to get there? What would you, for example, look for somebody who has spent, let's say, 7 years, 8 years, 10 years in project management, business, but are looking to, what's the guidance there in terms of what they should start equipping themselves in, what they should invest in, if you will?
And I think it varies by individual, and that's sort of what I've seen, right? I mean, there is no one size fit all, actually, right? If you look at my journey, in my journey, it was, I was stuck in enterprise business. I wanted to cut into consumer internet, and that to product. So I'm switching industries and I'm switching functional roles. And there was nobody that was willing to give me a break, to be honest. So for me, I used an MBA sort of as a kind of a cutover, right? Because I was trying to switch both the industry and functional role, right? I was an engineer. I'm trying to cut over to product management in consumer internet. So I actually used the MBA to cut over, right? Whereas now that given that, people are realizing there's a lot more awareness about what product management is, what are the kind of skills that are required. Now I think it's really about picking up those skills, right? Now those skills could be picked up through formal, like there's enough formal bodies, right, such as IPL, right, and there's enough knowledge out there that people can pick up the skills. But what I've seen is that people that kind of pick up the skills by doing, right, either in their current role or doing some kind of side freelancing, consulting, or just picking up a skill, right, so that when you're actually interviewing for a potential role, right, that you may be interested in, it's really about demonstrating those skills, right, because the theoretical knowledge only goes up to a certain point. At least when I interview people, there are people who come with a lot of theoretical knowledge, right? But I'm trying to see where in their journey as an engineer or a project manager or an engineering manager, whatever, right? Where have they demonstrated certain product skills?
And what you're essentially saying is while skills are important, but if you're not learning that by doing, hands-on, right, getting yourself into situations, putting yourself in where you can actually apply those things.
I mean, again, not saying that you won't be able to cut over, but, if you want to be like a great or a good to great product manager, right? I mean, you have to have enough you have to put in the hours, right? Of kind of those experiences of being in different scenarios, different situations and dealing with them, right?